Hi everybody, Dave Matthews here for Champion Trading again. What we're excited to show you today, this is a Koss cheese cooker, and I'm just going to come right here and show you the unit. We're operating on 223 phase voltage. There is a small cover that comes with it. It sits right in there. We have right there, thank you. Small little cover that's easily removable. As you see, the body is completely jacketed. It's also fitted with steam injection, which you can see toward the discharge side at the bottom. The two little valves there will open up and add steam in as needed. It has an air operated closure gate you see out here on the end. We don't have the air hooked to it right now, but it comes in and closes in that fashion and then opens up. On the control, it has a small, very smart little locking device to swing down over your handle so you can't move to the forward or open position. Now the screws are about 5" by 20" length. Does have a temperature probe up here, fully gasketed top. I'm going to sneak around behind our cameraman and over to the controls here. And we'll show you inside. You can operate, each screw is independently operated. And they both have variable speed. So you can change the speed that way or go down to a very slow speed. Now also, because they're operating independently, you could run in two different directions if you need to, or your process needs to. The drives are washed down duty with a built-in gear reducer. All stainless steel control panel, as you see. We've removed the covers, which is the cover you saw initially in the video sitting in front of the machine. Sits down and comes to rest on the pins that you see right here. Does have an emergency stop. And a small cover switch. We have lots of equipment in processing and packaging in our stock. So we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.